Yeah, let's start. By the way, my name is Sheila. Welcome sa Toyo. And yeah, before we start, we're just gonna give you some sinabawang gulay or yung ating vegetable soup po, ma. And then, of course, for tonight, you'll be having 22 dishes. But if you're gonna count it into pieces, meron po tayong this one. We'll be having some garden salad. But here in Toyo, we actually call the vegetable in our bahay kubo. We just add on top of your wrapper. And then what you're gonna do, you're just gonna fold it both sides and then i-roll nyo po siya, ma'am. So meron lang tayong konting pa-activities for you. Okay? Use your head. And then for your next one, we got some clam or halaan. It came coconut vinegar. It came from Quezon. So we just add or we just infuse some garlic and itong dalawang klaseng shrimp. So I'm just gonna start the one with the deep fried. And then of course, we make life easier. Actually, deep fried the one, kumbaga, boss sa hipon means we just boil the shrimp and then we just add salt. We'll be having some kinilaw or we call the one kilaw series. So I'm just gonna start the one with this one. So we get some mackerel in here. And then the one in the middle, it's actually gooseberry or family of strawberry. We also add some lime zest and then some coconut vinegar. And then the one in the middle, it's made with eggplant and then we call the one eggplant chip. So I'm just gonna lift the chip po, ma'am. Use some pork barbecue, but here in Toyo, we actually call the one 3-cut pork barbecue, ma'am. Because each light muna in here, it's actually pork broth. And then we just add po yung ating saluyot, yung ating radish, tsaka yung add some soybeans po natin o yung ating plain taho. And then we also add some green mang. Left side, we got some blue crab meat na galing po ito ng Cebu. And then we just add po yung ating white egg, tsaka yung ating tapoy jelly. Tapoy po, ma'am, ito yung ating local rice one. And then yung nasa gitna naman po, ito po yung ating palapa sauce. It's combination po ito na ating coconut milk tsaka yung ating aligig or pots of crab. And then on the other side, we got something crunchy naman. So we got some dulong o yung maliliit po nating isda. And then we call the one yung ating bisugo. And then for the bisugo natin, it came from Bataan. And then pwede nyo po siya kain. Wow. Okay? And then best partner with your salad or ensalada. So we got some radish, cherry tomato. And then we also add po yung ating grilled chicken thigh. It came from Baras Rizal. And then we just add po yung ating chicken sauce. Lipat, medyo mainit siya ng coffee. Yes. Yung tutong ma'am po ninyo, ma'am, yung tutong. Bugo serbetes and then some merengue. So we got some palitaw. Yeah.
May kasama